Did you know that millions of people over the age of 40 already have early signs of atherosclerosis without feeling anything at all? Heart and vessel diseases can develop silently for years, and many people only discover the problem after a heart attack or stroke. But here's the good news: everyday foods, especially whole grains, can play a real role in supporting heart health. Today, I'll show you 5 science-backed grains that help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and keep your blood vessels flexible. Not miracles, not magic, just nutrition that actually works. Let's begin. Buckwheat is often called the hunter of bad cholesterol, and there's a good reason for that. It contains rutin, a natural antioxidant that strengthens blood vessel walls and supports healthy circulation. Buckwheat is also rich in magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that help maintain normal blood pressure. You can cook it traditionally, or soak it overnight for easier digestion. Either way, buckwheat is a powerful addition to a heart-friendly diet. Next up is oats, truly the king of heart-healthy grains. Oats contain beta-glucans, a special type of fiber that forms a gel in your digestive system. This gel helps trap cholesterol so less of it enters your bloodstream. Studies show that just 1 bowl of whole-grain oatmeal a day can support healthy LDL levels. For an even stronger effect, try adding turmeric, ginger, or ground flaxseed. These bring antioxidants and omega-3 fats that help protect your blood vessels. Barley is one of the most underrated grains. It has as much beta-glucan as oats and is rich in niacin, a vitamin linked to healthy cholesterol metabolism. A simple, heart-friendly idea is barley porridge topped with plain yogurt and berries. Fiber, probiotics, antioxidants, a natural combination that supports digestion and cholesterol balance. Millet is another nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in magnesium, supports healthy blood pressure, and contains phytonutrients that help keep blood vessel walls strong and elastic. A refreshing option is millet with a squeeze of lemon and a spoon of sea buckthorn or berries. This adds vitamin C and natural fiber, both great for reducing oxidative stress. And finally, pearl barley. It's loaded with selenium and vitamin E, 2 powerful antioxidants that help protect your blood vessels from aging. It also contains essential amino acids that support circulation, especially in the brain. That's why many nutrition experts recommend barley as part of a long-term diet for healthy aging and mental clarity. Remember, no single food can clean your arteries or replace medical treatment. But a diet rich in whole grains, combined with movement, good sleep, and regular checkups, is one of the strongest tools we have for long-term heart health. So tell me, which grain do you eat most often? Share your favorite recipe in the comments below. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. New videos are posted every day, so make sure you don't miss them.